Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Vision. My name is Harsh Kumar. From now on, we start a new project. Recently, we have designed two websites on Figma, a dentist website and a restaurant website. In this video, or rather, I say upcoming videos, we translate this restaurant website design into HTML CSS website. If you want to watch that video, the link is in the I button and in the description of the video. So enough talking, let's start the video. In this video, we will develop the hero section only. So let's start coding. First create a new folder and rename it restaurant website. Open the folder and right click on it and then select open with the VS Code. VS Code will open and now create a HTML file index.html. Now create a folder for CSS style. Create a CSS file style.css in this folder. So now create a boilerplate HTML code. Now let me change the title of this page to Foodie Restaurant Website App. Now add a div with a class name container wrap. This div will wrap our website in the center of the screen. Inside it, add a header tag. In this header tag, we will place the logo and the navigation bar. So add a div with the class name of logo. In this div, add an anchor tag, and in href attribute, add a pound sign. Now type dummy brand name logo foodie, and now in next line add another div with class name navbar. Now inside the navbar div add an unordered list UL tag and add a class name of navlinks in the UL tag. Now add the ally tag in it, and inside ally add the anchor tag and add a pound sign in the href attribute, and then add the text between a tags. Let me copy the a tags. After that, I will change the text. There is an icon of a shopping cart, so let me export it directly from the Figma. So for this, select the cart and then go down under the export section, select SVG and save the file. I have already saved the file in the computer, so let me cancel it. Drag the SVG file to VS Code file panel. Now create a new folder, assert. Move the file to the folder. Now let me duplicate ally tag and insert an image tag. Now in the src attribute, add the path of the SVG file. Rename the file, remove the space and replace it with dash. Add the value of alt attribute. Now we will add a white button to this nav bar. Duplicate one of the ally and add a button tag and write two classes btn and btn white. Here I have made a mistake. I copy and paste the ally tag in the ally, which I will fix later. Now the HTML of navbar is complete. So for this, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So now move to the next section, hero section. There are three elements: the text, the image of the plate and a button. There is one more element, background shape, which we will deal with it later in the next video, where we write our CSS. Add a container wrap div. Inside it, add a section tag with the ID named hero. Inside it, add a div class name hero content, where we add our text. So add a h1 tag and add a main heading of the website. Add a p tag and add a paragraph. But here I am doing wrong by adding p tag to the outside of the section. and I will fix it later. And now export the image from Figma, drag it on the VS Code, move it to the asset folder, and now add a div of a class name hero image. Inside it, add an image tag and give the path of the image and add an alt tag to it. Now add a button below the paragraph tag and add two classes BTN and BTN primary. There is an image of SVG file arrow along with the text. So now HTML is done for this section, and in the next part we will see how to style the CSS. So let me wrap the video here. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to CodeFusion and hit the bell icon for the regular update in the future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.